Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows Media Player cannot access the file in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. Just close stuff here. Right click on it and select properties. Select the security tab and select the advanced option. Select change. Select advanced option. Select find now. In this list you just need to find everyone. After that select OK and select OK, and now you just need to select enable inheritance, and after that select apply, select OK, select OK, and now you just need to select edit option and select add, select advanced option, and now select find now. In this list you just need to find everyone, and after finding it select OK and select OK. In this group list you just need to select everyone and check mark full control and select apply and OK, and now select OK to save changes. Now you can open the video and your problem should be fixed guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.